This squirrel is just straight chilling. Let me see if I could. Look at that. Hey, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to Every Angle Angling. Today is a great fall day. It is very cool outside. It's like a nice fall cool, not too cold, not too hot. I was inside doing homework, my calc homework, and when I thought, who needs to do that? Let's go fishing. So, what kind of fishing am I doing today? Let's find out. Today I am doing a mystery tackle box unboxing / slam. Now this is a special mystery tackle box. It is the October mystery tackle box, which is Breast Cancer Awareness Month. So the sticker's on there. It's great. It's a great cause. Let's get this going. Okay, not gonna lie, I opened this box already up, so I know it's in here already, and it's gonna be a tough box to slam. But I'm gonna freaking try it anyways because why not? Alright, let's start out with what's in the box first. You got your product card. You got your Dibble handbook. Alright, on to the products. First product, Mismo Bait Company, grub looking things. That little split tail. You can throw those on many rigs. Should be a problem catching fish on this one. So I am excited about that one. Not worried about this one. But there's more to come. Next up is the swim jig from Zero Gravity. Very long, wispy jig. It's long, big profile. Might trim it up. Maybe not because I got it and this is how they shipped it. So I might not trim it up. But I'm going to try to catch a fish on a swim jig today. Third bait, reaction stripe, shad looking thing. Has some shakers in there. Has a little torpedo on the front, little propeller on the front, propeller on the back. It's like a reaction. It's like kind of like that spin jerk bait that was in one of the previous mystery tackle boxes, but it's like a torpedo jerk bait. Next one, and this is going to be without a doubt the hardest bait to catch a fish on where I'm going. This bait pretty much secures that I'm not going to complete this slam right now. If I catch a fish on this, I'll be amazed. This is what it is. The deep diving frog. Now I'm going to pull this out just to show you guys. It is River to Sea, and if you don't know River to Sea, they're kind of a funky company. They like to, go outside of the box in terms of conventional fishing tackle. So, everybody uses a topwater frog, but does everybody use a deep diving frog? It looks like this. I mean, what? What is this?
What is this?
Whatever. I'm going to try to catch a fish on this little guy. I like the dance he's doing. Let's get out in the water and try to catch a fish. Alright guys, I'm out on the water now, going in the mystery tackle box. It is about 4 o'clock p.m. We'll try to grind it out for a couple hours and kill this slam. Maybe for once I can complete a slam, but I highly doubt it. So, just going to get right into fishing now. Alright, what I'm starting out with is this little Mismo Baits, little grub looking thing. I have that tied onto a Nico rig with a drop shot hook, kind of wacky rigs towards this left side, and then it's weighted with a nail weight, so you can see that. It's a pretty good rig. It's a reliable rig. Should catch a fish pretty easily. Oh, someone was having fun. There's one. What did I say? Second cast. It's a reliable rig. Hooks out of him. Little largemouth. Good looking fish. Small, chunky, very green, very meaty. It's a good fish. second cast on the Nico rig. So I'm just gonna keep fishing with that a little bit, because if I can catch fish on that easily, I have time to spare. See ya, buddy. Oh! Alright. Fish number 2. Is this smallie? No. That's a largie. Fish number 2 on the Nico. With this rig, guys, it's a unique rig because it has the balancing action of a wacky rig with the falling action of like a stick bait, alright? Because the weight pulls the bottom or the front of it down. So you're getting that combination of two of the best actions for soft plastic finesse fishing in one bait, in one rig. Which is why I really love the Nico rig. It produces fish in places where other baits won't produce fish. I've caught fish on this rig in all kinds of water. I mean, this is like a small lake, deep quarry, and it's catching fish. I've caught fish on this rig in a creek, caught fish in a big lake, deep lake, in a shallow lake. It catches fish everywhere. I highly recommend the Nico rig. If you don't know how to do it and you couldn't figure out from my thing, I might do a video here about it soon, but John B. Fishing Midwest has a really good video about the Nico rig. That's actually where I learned about it from, so thanks to him. But it's a great rig. Alright, next bait is, well, no fish on the diving frog. I'm gonna try something else and hopefully get back on the bass. Alright, the next bait is another interesting one. It's that purple shad jerk bait with those double propellers on it. So another interesting bait that we'll see if it can produce. Well, I got a nice one. A nice big old freaking big old stick. I basically gotta go get that because this happens every time. I swear, every time, every single time it happens. Every single time. I took a little break from doing the slam to experiment with my own thing, but I'm back at it now. Gonna be fishing this jig, this swim jig, see if I can get anything. It's a pretty big presentation, but you know what? We'll see what happens. Alright, here's the deal. I'm really exhausted with doing the slam box. I want to throw something in that I know I can catch fish on, so I might just scratch the slam. I might just forfeit the slam early. And just catch some fish. Yeah, I think we're gonna end the slam, get us some cool footage, get some cool shots around here, put some cool music to it, and maybe catch some cool fish. So all that cool stuff, it'll happen right about now. fish. Every time I do a mystery tackle box slam, my box ends up looking like this. I mean, there's all kinds of crap in here. What? Alright guys, I just want to talk to you for a little bit because I'm starting to lose daylight here, and I know the old GoPro is not going to have very good visuals here for a little bit. But I just want to talk to you guys, and I want to thank everyone who watches my videos. I want to explain a couple things. Obviously I've been at this body of water before on campus at Stony Brook University in Long Island, and this is really the only body of water close to me. I don't have a vehicle to get anywhere else. My situation is that I am transferring. I'm transferring spring semester back home, so there will be a lot more videos coming. That's not why I'm transferring, obviously, but that is one of the positives of it. There will be a lot more videos coming spring semester. I'm going to try to do some ice fishing this winter. I'm going to try to do some exciting things to add some different content to the channel. But this has been a good little spot for me. I am going to miss it. I wanted to explain those things to you guys before I end this film. Again, thank you guys so much. The tug is the drug, and have a good night.